See, wasn't that easy? Hey everyone, it's Nell Tipton, and I am here to show you how to make your own makeup bag. What's amazing about this project is that it's only 7 steps. All you need is a strip of fabric and a zipper. Make sure that you have an iron handy. It's always helpful to be able to press out your seams while working on your project. You're gonna match those 2 notches, pin them together, and sew at 3/8 of an inch. Today we're going to use the electronic speed control. We're gonna do a top stitch that's about 1/4 of an inch. And don't be afraid to use a different color thread. I always like to do a contrast color. We're going to place in our zipper. I'm going to be using the ruler on my machine to shorten it by 1 inch. Gently start to stitch right on top of your zipper. I go over it about maybe 5 times and it should be good now. I'm going to gently cut off the extra and just leave about 1/2 inch. Now that I'm all pinned, I'm going to put this piece through the machine. I'm gonna use the letter I foot to put my zipper in. Make sure that you use your back stitch. From this corner to this corner, we're gonna close the side seams and do the same thing on the other side. At 3/8 of an inch, you're gonna want to sew from corner to corner shut. Flip it inside out. And now you have your makeup bag, yay! This pattern for this makeup bag comes with a dealer exclusive machine, the SB3150 Simplicity by Brother. These machines have unique features that allows you to get more out of your sewing experience. What's amazing about this machine, it comes with 100 stitches. You're the creator of your piece, so use one of these different stitches to do a top stitch on any of your pieces. This is your electronic speed control. Let's turn this bad boy up. The easy to use threading system. Give it a little wiggle, and here is your free arm feature. It gives you more of an access to put your armhole or your sleeves in place. Now you're gonna be the cool kid on the block with your own makeup bag. You can put your pencils in here, you can put your change in here, it can be your little purse on the night out on the town, whatever you want. Visit the Brother Sews site. Enter your zip code into the dealer locator tool to find an authorized Brother dealer near you.